Hello friend, I'm Ginny Mahar, a functional medicine health coach, also known as Hypothyroid Chef. Whether you've been with me for 10 years or 10 minutes, welcome. I'm so glad you're here because today is a very special day. I finally get to share something with you that's been years in the making. So back in 2015, I hit publish on my very first thyroid-friendly recipe at hypothyroidchef.com, and I honestly had no idea that it was going to grow into a movement that's helped thousands of thyroid thrivers take control of their health. Over the past decade as Hypothyroid Chef, I created Thyroid30, built a thriving community in the Thrivers Club, launched the Thyroid-Healthy Bites podcast, and I've also deepened my own healing work as a functional medicine health coach. And now, after years in the making, the thing that you've been asking me for most is finally here. So I won't beat around the bush. Are you ready? Introducing the Thyroid30 Cookbook. 3 30-day meal plans and 100 delicious recipes to restore your energy and help you thrive. I couldn't be happier or more excited to share this with you. This book is filled with colorful, anti-inflammatory, thyroid-friendly recipes. It's currently available for pre-order. You can use the QR code on the screen or click the link in the video description to order your copy today. But here's the thing. This book is so much more than just a collection of recipes. It's built around the Thyroid30 system, which is a framework of simple daily rituals that make a huge difference for thyroid health. So things like eating anti-inflammatory meals, staying hydrated, managing stress, getting enough sleep. It's not about perfection or following rules. It's about making progress with those small, consistent steps that lead to big results. Thyroid-friendly recipes are a huge part of what I bring to you with this cookbook because healthy eating shouldn't be a bummer. It should be fun, it should be delicious, it should be celebration worthy, and something that you can share in with your family and friends. But I wrote this cookbook to give you more than just recipes. It is a roadmap to results, and it's gonna make thyroid healthy eating easier, more delicious, and more fun. When you purchase the Thyroid30 Cookbook, you'll be able to apply that Thyroid30 system on your own using the book as a step-by-step guide. Or you can do it with your friends and family to gain a deeper understanding and awareness of how to eat well, live well, and feel well. You can also apply the Thyroid30 system together with my personal support inside the Thrivers Club community, where Thyroid30 and the 8 daily rituals of thyroid healthy living are a way of life. This approach has already helped thousands of people feel more like themselves again. And with the Thyroid30 Cookbook, you'll have a way to implement it right in your own kitchen in real time, day by day, recipe by recipe. To bring this book to life, I'm going to be cooking my way through the entire thing over the next few months. I'll be sharing sneak peeks, recipes, tips, and behind the scenes cooking sessions with you right here on YouTube and across my socials. So if you haven't yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can follow along with all the fun content coming your way. I wrote this cookbook for you to remove the guesswork and confusion, to give you structure and freedom, to get you excited about preparing thyroid healthy meals. This is truly a dream come true for me. I'm so honored to finally be able to share it with you. Thank you for being here for this milestone moment. Big hug, lots of love, and as always, keep on thriving. Once again, the Thyroid30 Cookbook is available for pre-order right now. Just click that link in the description to order your copy today.